Hello everyone, this is Pratap, Assistant Professor in EC Department, Warangal Institute of Technology and Science. Welcome to WITS Connect. Last class lo manam basic elements of communication system lo explain chesamu. Today class is what is modulation and what are the classifications of modulation techniques. What is meant by modulation? మోడ్యులేషన్ అంటే ఏంటి? మోడ్యులేషన్ అంటే మన మెసేజ్ సిగ్నల్ అనేది లో ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ సిగ్నల్, ఇట్ కెనాట్ పాస్ ద లాంగర్ డిస్టెన్సెస్. సో ఐఎమ్ యాడింగ్ విత్ ది carrier frequency, high frequency added with the message signal, that is low frequency signal, to pass our low frequency signal for a longer distance. Here modulation is nothing but our input signal is the message signal, input signal, and carrier signal is the high frequency signal. Low frequency signal ni high frequency signal ga change cheste modulation antaru. Modulation ante ఎక్కువ లాంగర్ డిస్టెన్స్ ద్వారా అవర్ మెసేజ్ సిగ్నల్ అనేది టు పాస్ ద లాంగర్ డిస్టెన్స్. దిస్ ఈజ్ ద మాడ్యులేటెడ్ సిగ్నల్. Okay, and coming to the definition of the modulation is the process of changing some of the characteristics. What are the characteristics? The process of changing some of the characteristics. What are the characteristics of the modulation? Amplitude modulation and frequency modulation. Third one is the phase modulation. These are the characteristics of the modulation. The process of changing some of the characteristics AM, FM, PM of the carrier instantaneous amplitude of the message signal. The process of changing some of the characteristics. What are these three characteristics of the carrier signal in accordance with the instantaneous of the message signal is called modulation. Modulation lo manaki these are the three characteristics. Okay, AM means amplitude modulation, and FM means frequency modulation. PM అంటే ఏంటమ్మా? phase modulation. These are the three characteristics of the modulation. In this there are basically two types of modulation techniques. There are basically two types of modulation techniques. What are they? Amplitude modulation and angle modulation. Modulations are, there are basically two types. One is the amplitude modulation and another one is the angle modulation. In this angle modulation there are two types are there. In angle modulation, first one is the frequency modulation and second one is the phase modulation. Okay, in this angle modulation there are two types of there, frequency modulation and phase modulation. Basically modulations are two types, one is the amplitude modulation and angle modulation. In the angle modulation there are two types, one is the frequency modulation and phase modulation. Coming to classifications of various types of modulation techniques. Modulation techniques lo modulations are, there are two types. Modulations there are two types, one is the continuous wave modulation and one is the continuous wave modulation and second one is the pulse modulation. In the continuous wave modulation lo manaki amplitude modulation and second one is the angle modulation. And coming to pulse modulation lo pulse amplitude modulation and pulse digital modulation. Pulse angle modulation and pulse digital modulation. And coming to the angle modulation lo manaki there are two types untayi. One is the frequency modulation and phase modulation. Classification of types of modulation techniques lo manaki modulation techniques are, there are two types, continuous wave modulation and pulse modulation. And coming to continuous wave modulation, again divided into two types, one is the amplitude modulation and angle modulation. Amplitude modulation and angle modulation. Coming to angle modulation lo manaki one is the frequency modulation and phase modulation. These are angle modulation lo there are two types, one is the frequency modulation and phase modulation. Phase means the angle between the signal, that is theta. Okay, and coming to pulse modulation, pulse analog and pulse digital. Pulse analog lo manaki pulse amplitude modulation and pulse time modulation. And coming to the pulse time modulation lo ppm and pwm. ppm ఏంటమ్మా, here pulse position ppm means pulse position modulation and pwm ante pulse width modulation. And coming to pulse digital modulation lo there are two types, one is the pulse code modulation and delta modulation. DM means delta modulation, and here the PCM is the pulse code modulation. These are the classifications of modulation techniques. To the need for modulation in communication system. Need for modulation. Modulation is extremely necessary in communication system due to the following reasons. Modulation ఎందుకు చేయాలమ్మా, modulation చేస్తే మన అవర్ సిగ్నల్ అనేది లాంగర్ డిస్టెన్స్ ట్రావెలింగ్ చేయడం కోసం మనం మాడ్యులేషన్ అనేది చేస్తాం కంపల్సరీగా. సో వాట్ ఆర్ ద రీజన్స్? డ్యూ టు ఫాలోయింగ్ ద రీజన్స్, ఫస్ట్ వన్ ఏంటి? రెడ్యూస్ ద హైట్ ఆఫ్ ది యాంటీనా, reducing the height of the antenna, and second one is the for multiplexing, and third one is easy of radiation, and fourth one is the to avoid mixing of signals, and reduction of noise. Noise ante entamma, any unwanted signal added with the our signal, there will be a noise will be occur. Okay. And coming to first one, reduce the height of the antenna. And coming to the reducing the height of the antenna. Antenna ante entamma, antenna becomes, it is a wireless communication system. In the free space, the signals are radiated in the electromagnetic waves and receiving the signals from transmitting to receiver in the free space. For example, is equal to height of the equal to lambda by 4, and here the lambda is the wavelength of the signal, where lambda equal to c by f. C is the velocity of light, c equal to velocity of light. The velocity of light equal to 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meters per second. And for example, reducing the height of the antenna, I am taking for example 15 kilohertz, and in this the frequency entama, frequency anedi f equal to 15 kilohertz. Here velocity of light equal to 3 into 10 to the power of 8. Calculating the height of the antenna. Antenna height is lambda by 4. Okay, substituting these values in the wavelength. Okay, here lambda by 4, height of the antenna equal to lambda by 4 equal, lambda equal to entama c by f into 4. Okay, c value enta manaki, c value ikkada enta, velocity of light 3 into 10 to the power of 8 by 4 into frequency enta ichina manaki, for example 15 kilohertz. 15 into kilohertz means 10 power 3 into 10 power 5 by 15 4 entama 60, and 3 into 10 power 4 by 6 means 1 by 2. 1 by 2 and 0.5. 0.5 into 10 power 4, that is 5 into 10 to the power of 3 amma. That is 5000 meters. I am taking the 15 kilohertz. The height of the antenna equal to 5000 meters. It is practically impossible. So I am increasing the frequency. Second example, I am increasing the frequency 1 megahertz. 1 megahertz తీసుకుంటే యాంటెన్నా హైట్ ఎలా క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయొచ్చమ్మా? lambda by 4 equal to, lambda equal to ఏంటి? c by f into 4 equal to 3 into 10 to the power of 8 by 4 into 1 megahertz కదా. 1 into mega అంటే ఎంత అమ్మ 10 power 6 and 3 by 4 into 10 square, that is point that is 75 by 100 into 10 square. If the frequency is increases, the antenna height will be decreases. Here the 15 kilohertz, the height of the antenna in 5000 meters. That is practically impossible, and we are increasing the frequency range of the and antenna height will be decreases. It is possible. And second one is the multiplexing. Multiplexing ఏంటమ్మా? Multiplexing means the number of signals passing through the one channel one by one, alternatively passing to the receiver through the channel. Okay, multiplexing is the number of signals passing through the one channel, that is alternatively multiple signals ని ఇక్కడ మనం సెండ్ చేసినప్పుడు along with channel alternatively receiving the one by one. Okay, here the multiplexing. And third one is the avoiding the for easy of radiation. Third one ఏంటమ్మా? easy of radiation. At low frequency signals do not travel the longer distance, we are adding the carrier signal to pass that signal in longer distance. Okay, and in the free space, the signals are antennas are electromagnetic waves passing through the in the free space. Okay, and coming to the avoid of mixing, to avoid mixing. And second one is the multiplexing. Multiplexing means the number of several signals transmitted through the same channel and simultaneously receiving the one by one signals. And easy of radiation means the electromagnetic waves are, if the low frequency signals, that signal may be attenuated. Okay, low frequency signals అనేది మనకు లాంగర్ డిస్టెన్స్లో రేడియేట్ కావు కాబట్టి మనం దానికి అడిషనల్గా మోడ్యులేషన్ కెరియర్ సిగ్నల్ యాడ్ చేస్తే దానికి ఈజీ ఆఫ్ రేడియేషన్ అనేది మనకు రిసీవర్ దగ్గర మనకి దిస్ లో ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ సిగ్నల్ ఇన్ ట్రావెలింగ్ ఇన్ టు హై ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ సిగ్నల్స్ టు అవాయిడ్ ద మిక్సింగ్ ఆఫ్ సిగ్నల్స్. హియర్ మిక్సింగ్ ఆఫ్ సిగ్నల్స్లో మనకి సెవరల్ సిగ్నల్స్ అనేది మిక్సింగ్ అయితే మనకి there will be a noise will be occurred. Okay, in this mixing of signals, if the sound signal is 20 hertz to 20 kilohertz, 20 hertz to 20 kilohertz the audible range, and mixing of signals is to mixing these signals particularly, and there will be a noise will be affected. So this noise is eliminated, and we are using the modulation techniques. What are the modulation techniques? AM, PM and FM. These modulation techniques we are using reducing the noise and interference of this system. Okay, what are the modulations need in communication system? What are they? Reducing the height of the antenna, and second one is the multiplexing, easy of radiation, and to avoid the mixing signals, and last one is the reduction in noise. Noise ante endamma, any unwanted signal added with our signal, that is called noise. And next one, what are the modulation techniques? What are the AM and frequency modulation and phase modulation will be discussed in the next class. Thank you.